What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, we are going to review the Afi Finance protocol. We're going to check the audit. We're going to check how the project works, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial how to play about with this project. Okay, so I'm going to make a live deposit. So stay tuned in. Only invest risk capital, guys. This is not financial advice. This is just me sharing my crypto journey, and also this video is for educational purposes. Okay, so Afi Finance, it's an Roi Dapp on Binance Smart Chain. This project went live yesterday, 23rd of April at 9 p.m. UTC time. Okay, so Afi Finance, you will stake BUSD and earn daily rewards in BUSD, okay? Subject to availability of funds in the contract balance for payments, okay? So remember, once the smart contract goes to zero, that means game over. But this ROI DApp is a little bit different because it will have external revenue to boost the smart contract whenever it's needed. So if you are familiar with the Fortune Hunters ecosystem, okay, they use a portion of the TVL to stake in pools, trades, and etc. Okay, guys, this project will do the same. Okay, and more about that shortly. Okay, the daily ROI is not a crazy amount. It's not 10%, it's not 5%, it's not 4%, but it is 0.5%, which is very realistic, and is fairly, it's doable. Okay, it's doable to make 0.5% every day from trades. Okay, so it's a very realistic number. So if you multiply this by 60 days, that means in 60 days you will make 30% of your investment. Okay, so once you come over here to the project and stake, okay, your stake will be locked for 60 days. So that means you cannot withdraw, or I mean, you cannot unstake your initial deposit for 60 days. After 60 days, you will stop earning your rewards. And if you want to continue with the project again, you have to lock it for another 60 days. In other words, you're only going to get paid while your deposit is locked. So once your deposit is unlocked or the 60 days expires, no more rewards will be paid to you. Okay, simple as that. Okay, minimum deposit is 1 BUSD, maximum deposit is 15,000 BUSD. Maximum active deposits per wallet is 10. Okay, and deposits will be locked for 60 days. After 60 days, no more rewards. Okay, so every time you deposit is 1% tax. Every time you withdraw, 1% tax. This tax right here will stay in the smart contract. Okay, and every time you unstake, there will be also a 1% tax. All these taxes, they will stay inside the smart contract. Okay, so how this thing works: so once you make your deposit, you will have to wait 10 days to claim your rewards. Okay, so after 10 days, you will have an extra 2 days, okay, to claim your rewards. After 12 days without claiming your rewards, okay, the accumulation will cut off. So that means you will stop earning your rewards until you claim. Okay, so again, you'll have to wait 10 days before you make your first claim. And then after the 10th day, you will have 48 hours to claim your rewards. If you don't claim your rewards, you will not receive any more rewards until you claim those rewards. Okay, so referral commission is 2% on deposit, and there is only one level. Okay, 55% of deposits will be used to trade and sustain yield rewards. Okay, like I said to you, if you come over here to the website, to the docs, okay, you will have explanation about how everything works. Okay, but like I said to you, I'm not going to go over it. And also over here, we have explanation how everything works. All right. So all those taxes. So for example, each tax is deposit is split into 4 categories. Okay. So 42% will stay in the contract. 55% will go to external wallet for the external revenue for trades and etc. Okay, guys. Referral rewards and dev fees. Okay. If you deposit 1,000 bucks, you will have 1,000 bucks in your account. Okay, so now the project has been audited, not by Stamp, but Crypto Prim. Never heard about this company before, but the overall score is 9 out of 10, and the audit looks good. Personally, I don't like this kind of color. It messes up my brain, so it is messed up. I don't like this kind of color, but it is what it is, guys. So here's the audit. Everything looks good, okay? And over here we also have a summary about how everything works, okay? So owner has a few privileges right here. So including the ability to halt deposits and staking, as well as modify the maximum amount per new deposits and the claim rewards fee. The owner can also transfer funds to the contract, which is used by investors to collect periodic rewards. Okay, so those are the privileges that the owner has. Okay, so that being said, guys, let's have a quick peek at the smart contract. Currently 27K. Let me just refresh this. 27.6K. Right. So remember, guys, project is nearly 1 day old. Okay, so we are new. We are early in this kind of project, but because it's not just a normal Roi Dapp, it will have external revenue. Potentially this project will have legs to go over 100 days, okay? Because like I said to you, 0.5% per day is not hard to make, okay? So total balance or total deposit, 62.8K, okay? The contract balance, 27.6K, because like I said, like I showed you, 55% goes to external wallet for to generate the external revenue, doing trades, investing in pools, etc. Okay, guys. So total users got 58, and over here we got the dashboard, right? So how to play about with this project? MetaMask still is disconnected, so let me connect my MetaMask and let's go ahead. Right, my MetaMask has been connected, right? Yeah, logged in. So now we're gonna hit connect. So over here we select the wallet that we're gonna use, MetaMask, confirm, and boom, we are in. Okay, as you can see right here, I'm in. So now how do we play about? So over here is where you make a deposit and start earning. Okay, so we can see the balance in my wallet, 27 BUSD. Okay, and over here we got proved. I haven't proved anything yet, so it's showing 0. So first things first, we gotta select the amount that we want to deposit. So once you select the amount, you have to hit approve. Okay, so you hit approve, MetaMask pops up, you approve. Okay, so if it shows unlimited amounts, edit that and only approve the amount that you want to stake. So in my case, 25, so I'm only going to approve 25. Okay, and then once I pay this gas fee, I have to pay another gas fee to stake these 25 bucks. As you can see right here, I only approved 25 bucks. So now that's done, that's confirmed. So I hit stake, pay under the gas fee, and I'll be good to go. Now, there you go, we got a confirmation right there. So now we are in. So right, guys, right before you are in the project and approve your funds, next thing you should do is come over here to ever revoke and revoke that approval. Okay, so this is just to prevent you from being hacked or whatever. Okay, guys, so if something happens with a smart contract, you know, they will not have access to your wallet because you revoked the contract. But if you don't revoke the contract, they will have access to your BUSD. So let me refresh the page and probably the contract will pop up right here. That's strange. The approval hasn't appeared over here. So I will have to check that out. Okay, guys? But yes, also over here, it disappeared. Okay, so I don't know. But I will have to check it out and get back to you. Okay, so now we are in. So we have one active deposit, 25 BUSD. As you can see right here, the tax doesn't go off from your deposit, but it goes from the TVL. Okay, so over here we can see the total claim, current dividends, and earnings per day. So I'm going to get 0.12 12.50 per day. So if I want to claim, I will have to wait 10 days because we have a timer right here. Okay, so when it comes to 10 days, 0 hours, and 0 minutes, that means I am okay to claim. Okay, so and then I will have 48 hours to claim my rewards. If not, I will stop earning my rewards. Okay, down here we can see my stake. Okay, so the stake dates, stake day, stake ends, amounts, and daily rewards. And over here we got the unstake button. Okay, and that's that, guys. Very, very simple. And as we go along, I will give you updates about this project. Okay, guys. Obviously, this is my YouTube wallet, so I'm gonna go with small amount, test it out the project, and then once I'm happy and confident with the project and what they're doing behind the scenes, I'm gonna use a different wallet to make a big deposit. Okay, so that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Also, there is the TG group. Let me see how many members they have. So TG group is small at the moment, 259 members, currently 34 online. Okay, but we got 59 active users. Okay, so that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Make sure that you fully understand how this project works before you invest, and only invest risk capital. So stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.